Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing fine. So, this is going to be you versus them, and take what resonates, leave the rest. You can always swap the energies, but I'll stick to one energy only. I have already pulled the cards. I'll be using three decks here. The first one for the you energy, I'll be using this deck called the Clarity Tarot. For them energy, I'm going to use Ehrenberg Tarot, and for guidance for each one of you, I'm going to use twin flame energy. Do not connect it specifically with your twin flame, it's for everyone. And another oracle pulled from a practical self-care deck tarot. Okay, so let's begin. I'll start with the you energy, which is your energy, the querent energy. Okay, so with you, I definitely feel that firstly, you and your shadow self, they are not aligning with each other at all. Okay, shadow का जो मेन पर्पस होता है, दैट इज टू इंटीग्रेट योर लाइट एंड योर डार्क बोथ. बट हियर it seems that you are at extreme ends. Okay, your dark side is at extreme end, your light side is at extreme end. So आपकी light side जो है वो अलग चीज़ें फील करती है, आपकी जो dark side है वो अलग चीज़ें फील करती है, जिसकी वजह से there is a whole clash within your own system rather than just your person. Okay, so obviously अगर आपके खुद के अंदर वो clash होगा तो वो बाहर आपको clash दिखेगा ही दिखेगा. And this has something to do with a reality check. It also says arguing is not the answer. So some of you are being very much argumentative. Either you, and it's not just about you being argumentative with your partner, but I feel that it's more of that inner clash. अंदर बहुत सारी arguments चल रही है, अंदर बहुत सारी conflicts चल रही हैं, आपके दो extreme parts एकदम active हो रखे हैं और दोनों बहुत extreme में हैं. एक आपका dark side है, एक आपका light वाला side है, and they both are not aligning with each other. They are not being able to come in union with each other. Okay, so that is a really messy situation for you right now. Then we have the card of lovers. I do feel that the connection that you are in with the person is kind of divinely sent. Okay, is it's like universe is witnessing this connection, or universe has witnessed this connection. Okay, it's basically कि कुछ ऐसा होना जहाँ पे या तो यूनिवर्स अभी इस कनेक्शन को बहुत ज़्यादा विटनेस कर रहे हैं, आपको और आपके पर्सन के कनेक्शन को, या उन्होंने स्टार्टिंग से विटनेस किया है. बट आई जस्ट फील दैट यू आर रियली ब्लेस्ड. Okay, or this connection is really blessed by God. Okay, God has been watching over this connection. Okay, भगवान जी देख रहे हैं आप दोनों को, भगवान जी देखते आए हैं आप दोनों को. Okay, इस connection को. ठीक है. Then we also have the card of Two of Pentacles. See, I do feel that when you do your giving part, okay, whenever you are giving your partner, आप बहुत ज़्यादा calculative होके करते हो. Again, I see number 8. I just recorded 48 hours wala video. 8 number was prominent there. 8 number is prominent here in your you energy, and here also we have 8. Okay, so firstly, I do feel that you are not understanding the repercussions of the present situation or the way you give, because I feel when it comes to love, you become very calculative, extremely calculative. And when you become calculative, you do not find any kind of balance within yourself or in the relationship. और ये साइकिल आपकी अभी की नहीं है, ये साइकिल आपके पास्ट लाइफ से आ रही है. ठीक है, जो चले जा रही है. एंड प्रॉबली यहाँ पे मुझे 2-3 चीज़ें कनेक्टेड लग रही हैं. वन विच इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम योर पास्ट लाइफ, सेकेंड विच इज़ ऑल्सो कमिंग फ्रॉम योर DNA, एंड थर्ड जो आपने अपनी पर्सनैलिटी में इस जन्म में बना लिया है, वॉट यू हैव क्रिएटेड, द पर्सनैलिटी दैट यू हैव बिल्ट over these years. Okay, so 3 things. One is from your past life. Okay, the loop that is not you not being able to end. Second, which is coming from your DNA or from your generation. Third is from this lifetime. Okay, so you have a lot of work when it comes to understanding love or giving love, okay? And that is not being happening because, like I said, there's a big clash between the light side and the dark side, okay, which is present in each one of us, okay? So that is there. So you need to work a lot on when it comes to giving. ऐसा लगता है कि आप एक चीज़ देते हो, आप दूसरी चीज़ ले लेते हो, आप एक चीज़ देते हो, आप दूसरी चीज़ ले लेते हो. So there's always a push and pull वाला energy that I can understand when it comes to your energy, which is why you're not being able to get what you want, or you're not being able to give what you want to give, okay? It's like, for example, आपका एक्शन अच्छा होगा तो आपके वर्ड्स अच्छे नहीं होंगे, आपके वर्ड्स अच्छे नहीं होंगे तो आपके एक्शंस अलाइन नहीं कर रहे होंगे या वो सही नहीं होंगे. That kind of energy is there, okay? Then we have the card of Four of Wands. I don't know why, but I do feel that even though this is a very happy card, but I have a feeling that either you compare yourself a lot with your person, or you have a certain kind of competitive energy with your person. It's like I see two dancers dancing on a performance on a stage, okay? And while you're performing, you know that the person you're performing is actually your partner. So instead of focusing on yourself, or instead of wishing good for your person, you're actually competing with your person. There's a lot of I'm going to win, I'm going to win. What competitive energy here, okay? And it's coming more from you, okay? The green one, which is coming more from you, where you just want to show something about yourself, you just want to show how brave, how great I am, that kind of energy, okay? And again, I'm just speaking about the you energy. You can always swap if you want to, but I am very specifically and assertively talking about this, so it can be your energy as well, okay? I don't want to misguide anyone here. So that is there. So don't be very competitive, do not try to show your skills, and do not try to show, oh, look what I've got, to your own partner. You don't do that with the person you love the most, okay? You do that with the world, you do that with the competitor. But if your loved one is your competitor, then I don't know what to say, okay? Now coming to your next part, which is a them part, okay? So with them energy, I see number 4 is quite important here, okay? Probably either this person has been watching or seeing 444 a lot. Oh, here also we have 44. Oh my god, what a synchronicity. With you energy, 8 number was important. Probably Saturn energy is also there, but more than Saturn, it's more about some kind of loop or pattern, okay? And Saturn is actually also about breaking those patterns. And with them energy, 4th number is important. And here also we have twin flame facilitator, which is number 4, and it can also yeah. So with number 4, in numerology, number 4 is also for Rahu though. I just feel that when it comes to your person, I think your person is completely closed off, okay? They will not let you in their radar at all. If you see all the 3 images, the first one is 4 of Swords. Here this person's eyes are completely closed, and they have this big defensive shield around there, and even keeping their hand at the heart, protecting their heart probably. Second image is about 4 of Cups, where someone is offering them. So probably it's you who is offering them, but this person is completely closed off to anything. They are in this energy. So whenever the person is in this energy, that means they're done with you, or they're done with anyone, or probably they're not interested, or they are bored, okay? Any such energy, like kuch bhi ho sakta hai, okay? And the next one is 7, okay? And if you see here also, there's some kind of tool which this person is using as a tool of protection, okay? And I think the person that you're dealing with the them energy, I think this person is thinking a lot about what they should do when it comes to your energy, when it comes to this connection. This person is holding on to certain things very tightly, but at the same time, I also feel that they are working on certain thought processes. Their mind is always working. They always have thoughts in their head, not overthinking. They are not overthinking, but they are repetitively thinking about something. Okay, and I also see that there's some kind of बेचैनी वाली energy. I don't know what do you say बेचैनी in English, the exact word, but yeah, वो बेचैनी वाली कहीं ना कहीं एक energy है. Impulsive energy है कहीं ना कहीं. Your person is feeling very impulsive about something, okay, and this is probably regarding their own thoughts, but at the same time they are quite sure that they do not want any kind of external energy. Okay, they are completely into their self right now, to be very honest. Okay, and we also have number 9 here. So I feel that your person is working on their intuition as well. Okay, right now your person is taking a lot of time to understand their own energy, their own spiritual life. So probably the person that you're dealing with has either begun their spiritual journey, or they're already a part of spiritual journey, and probably I do think that this person is quite spiritual. Okay, so their focus is more on their third eye and on their crown chakra. Okay, they are not really bothered about any kind of external energy, or even for you that matter, because they are understanding that there's a greater perspective to this whole situation, which is why they're feeling more impulsive as to what is the higher purpose behind this, what is that I need to see about this. Okay, so that energy is there, and I don't know why, but I think this person that you're dealing with, it's like they're holding on to something very tightly. Okay, and with that holding on energy, they are also focused very assertively, with utmost clarity, on something. Okay, as to what is going to happen next, and for that they are also using their intuition. I just feel that they are being guided to just completely, keep their third eye open and let things happen, is what I'm feeling. Okay, now coming to the guidance for you. Okay, so the guidance for you is shadow work. It says uncover every part of you that has been repressed and abandoned. If you have been wanting to heal yourself, or if you are already on your healing journey, there are certain parts where you have felt abandoned by your family, or probably in your childhood, and that is something which is triggering you again and again. Okay, so you need to heal your abandonment issues. You need to heal what you have repressing. Okay, आप कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आप बहुत टाइम से रिप्रेस कर रहे हो, और कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जहाँ पे आपने बहुत अबैंडन्ड फील किया है, जिसकी वजह से आपकी शैडो साइड आपकी लाइट साइड का साथ नहीं दे रही है, और आपकी लाइट वाली साइड आपकी शैडो का साइड नहीं दे रही है. ओके, सो देयर इज़ अ बिग वॉर. सो that will only you will only be able to integrate with that once you start doing the shadow work, and that shadow work is extremely important, because जब तक आप ये shadow work नहीं करोगे, आप सारी चीज़ें आप देखोगे, it is not going to work in your favor. Okay, and I think this shadow work thing has a lot to do with how you express yourself, because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपको यही नहीं समझ आ रहा कि आपको अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करना कैसे है, चाहे वो अपने आप के साथ हो या किसी और के साथ हो. Here also we have speak your truth, and I somehow feel that when it comes to speaking truth, it's like speaking in a manner which is honest, which is transparent, which is vulnerable. अब vulnerable बहुत सारे लोग vulnerable का मतलब ये मानते हैं कि इमोशंस में आके अग्रेसिव हो जाना, बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो जाना, ठीक है, और क्राइंग, or probably sharing your secrets. That is not being what vulnerable is. Vulnerable is that you share your doubts, you share your back of the mind wale thoughts, you share your subconscious thoughts. Okay, for example, I am angry. Okay, you want to express that I'm very angry at you. Okay, I'm feeling this, I'm feeling that, and blah blah blah. But when you're vulnerable, you also add your behind thoughts. I'm angry, but mujhe doubt hai if you're going to accept it or not. I'm angry, but I am just very fearful of what is going to happen next. I'm angry, but I have this big doubt within myself if you're going to accept me or not. That's how you become vulnerable. Okay, so अपनी vulnerability दिखाना सबसे बड़ी power होती है, because till the time you don't show that side of yours, nobody is going to understand what you are going through and what you're trying to convey. Okay, now with the them energy, I think your person is overcoming certain kind of obstacle, and this obstacle is related to their own personal growth, nothing to do with you. Probably you have triggered that personal obstacle. Okay, you have been a triggering point for this person, but I don't think that it is just you. I think universe is just trying to polish them. I think universe is just trying to teach them certain lessons. Okay, and this is about their own journey, about their own recovery, about their own individuality. Okay, so that this person becomes more strong when it comes to certain difficult situations. So this is something personal to them, not directly connected with you. And we also have twin flame facilitator, expansive growth. So like I said, that this person is right now at the stage where they are growing at an individual level. Okay, so universe is like training them to understand something, to become something, that kind of energy. Okay, and probably this energy is really going to help them in their life purpose also. So yeah, I think that is it, and I hope this video helps you and reaches the right audience as well. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.